Usa siya sa tulo ka mga asawa nga mubida sa bag-ong drama sa GMA Network, ang Legal Wives. Busa, kumustahon ta karong Christmas morning dinhi sa Bistalk, Kapuso Actress Bianca Umali. Mayong buntag, Bianca, and welcome dito sa GMA Regional
Hello
TV.
po, hi!
Kumusta ka na, Bianca?
Okay naman po, happy of course, and excited to finally be finished with the holidays. Palapit na magbagong taon.
Oo nga, marami talaga tayong pag-uusapan this morning, but we'd like to know, kumusta yung Christmas nyo?
The usual, celebrated with my lola, of course, and the whole family.
And ngayon naman na mag-New Year na, how do you plan to celebrate the New Year 2021?
With family, as always.
Ang balis lang no, ng panahon, Biang. Soon, it will be
Sobra po.
2021 na. Oo.
Sobra po, sobra.
Looking back ba to what happened this year, 2020, what are you most grateful for? What are you most thankful for despite sa mga nangyayari ngayon?
I think I'm most thankful for all the lessons that it taught us. It made us feel, it humbled everyone. It made us aware of what is happening to our Mother Earth. And it reminded us of humanity.
Tama ka nga doon, humanity talaga. And despite all the uncertainties and the negativities this year, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung blessings mo, Biangs. Dahil tuloy na talaga ang drama na pagbibidahan mo ang Legal Wives. Tell us more about your role dito sa Legal Wives.
Ayan po, sa Legal Wives, I will be playing the third and youngest wife. Ayun. Ay, parang ayoko pa mag-share masyado, but yes, I am one of the legal wives.
Ayan, nakaka-intriga na ha, kung paano ka naging youngest wife dito ni Dennis
Yes.
Trillo sa Legal Wives. Pero dito ba, sa bago niyong drama, what do you want the audience to learn from your character and from the whole story itself?
We will be showing the Muslim culture, their religion, their everyday life, how they think, how they speak, how they project themselves. Ayun ang gusto namin ipakita sa mga tao, kung paano ang buhay naman nila. And I'm very excited na sana ma-appreciate ng mga tao and sana may matutunan din sila.
And of course, ibang klase din yung mga kasama mong cast dito sa Legal Wives. Will this be your first time working with Miss Alice Dixon, si Andrea Torres, and of course, Dennis Trillo? Kumusta silang katrabaho, Biancs?
With Kuya Dennis, I will be working with him for the second time now. Una ko siyang nakasama sa Mulawin versus Ravenna. And for Miss Alice Dixon and Ate Ada, I haven't worked with them, but I have met them already before the show.
Ano kaya magiging storya nito between the three women? Magiging magkakaibigan ba kayo dito sa Legal Wives?
Very exciting. That's why sana po abangan ninyo.
Biancs, will this be your first time also to portray a role of a wife? Paano ka naghanda for this big role na gagampanan mo?
Yes po, this is my first time na gumanap bilang isang asawa. And for the preparations, marami po kaming preparations for the whole show because again, we will be, the story will be around the Muslim culture.
And we look forward na mapanood talaga itong Legal Wives this coming New
Thank
Year
you.
2021. So please invite everyone, Biancs, yung mga kapuso natin na abangan ito. And of course, your holiday message for everyone.
Yes, unang-una sa lahat po ng mga kapuso na nanonood po ngayon, happy holidays and very soon is happy New Year. And I am excited for everyone at ito po, ang Legal Wives, sana po ay panoorin ninyo, abangan ninyo at mahalin ninyo ang bagong proyekto po namin sa GMA Telebabat.
Mamahalin talaga namin itong bagong project mo, Biancs. And of course, kasi mahal na mahal ka namin. Thank you so much, Bianca.
Salamat po. Thank you.
Merry Christmas!